afternoon. All right, this is day 2 on our grill assembly on our outdoor kitchen. A couple things going on in one day here. We've got all the panels up. We've installed backsplashes. This is a small backsplash here, so we're going to have that, and we'll go over that a little bit closer in detail. But at this point, I really want to go over the grill installation. We've got the appliances on site on day 2. I think it's important to have the appliances available so that you can pull the numbers here. Here we've got a 32-inch grill. My rough opening is going to be a 30.5-inch unit. You follow me on up. We're going to install these support brackets on the top. On our grill cabinet, it'll accommodate a 42-inch grill with this number here. However, we've gone center off, and to fit the 32-inch, I need a 30.5-inch opening. So we measured that out off center. All right. The support bracket itself, once we hit layout, is going to be tapped in from underneath. So the self-tapping screws continue up, and it's going to mount that one across on the back side as well. This one is going up into the backsplash. Now here where we've got countertop, in this area here, you'll see with the exposed self-threading screw, we're going to grind that off.